In CapCut, creating a cloning effect is easier than you might think. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Import the video footage you'll be using to create the cloning effect. Before proceeding, take a moment to review your video background. To achieve the cloning effect effectively, ensure that your clothing contrasts with the background. This helps CapCut distinguish between you and the background, facilitating the separation needed for the effect. Once you've confirmed your background, proceed to create multiple clips from your video footage. The number of clips you create will determine the number of clones you'll have in your final video. Drag each of these clips onto the timeline, stacking them on top of your base clip. This layering creates an overlay effect, essential for the cloning process. Next, navigate to the Cutout tab under the Video section. Here, you'll find the Auto Cutout option. Click on this option to allow CapCut to automatically remove the background from your video clips. After the background removal process is complete, adjust the position of each clip as desired. This step allows you to arrange your clones in the video frame to achieve the desired effect. Congratulations! You've successfully created clones of yourself using CapCut. To add more clones, simply repeat the above steps with additional clips from your footage. Feel free to experiment with different settings and arrangements to enhance your cloning effect further. With CapCut's intuitive tools, the possibilities for creativity are endless. That's it for creating a cloning effect in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.